Hello everyone, welcome to Metaverse Insider. In this video, I will show you how to navigate and use Oculus Quest 2 controllers plus tips on how to clean, care, and maintain your Oculus Quest 2 headsets. Oculus Quest 2 offer a variety of virtual reality experiences to discover. Here is how to find and download them. In your VR, click on the Explore menu. From there, you will find recommended contents or select store to see all the available games and apps. If you are new on VR, choose your content carefully and refer to the provided content reading and summary, including the reviews of the games or apps. Start with a comfortable rated content before trying the moderate, intense, or unrated contents. The good thing in Oculus Quest 2 is that when you download something, you can always find it in your library. All your purchases are linked to your account, so you will never lose anything, even something happens to your headset. Here are some tips on how to use your controllers properly. To make a selection in VR, hover your pointer over your selection. Click the back trigger button. Pressing the Oculus button will bring back the menu. To quit out of the game or application, press the Oculus button, then hit quit. You can also use the Oculus app to easily browse, buy, and download contents to your account. Tips on how to clean, care, and maintain your Oculus Quest 2. To keep your Oculus Quest 2 operating at its peak performance, you have to know how to take care, clean, and maintain it. It is important that you keep your Oculus Quest 2 headset away from the direct sunlight, because sun rays can cause permanent damage to the lenses and screen inside. Do not place your Oculus headset in your window or anywhere that direct sunlight can hit the lens. To clean the lenses, use a dry optical lens microfiber cloth. Do not use liquid or chemical cleansers. When cleaning your headset, use non-abrasive antibacterial wipes to clean the strap and the facial interface foam. Do not use alcohol and abrasive cleaning solutions. Refer to the support articles in the Oculus website for more details on the cleaning and care. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I do hope you learned from this video. See you in the Metaverse.